In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. And to use it, go back thanks to this arrow at the top left corner over here. Then copy or cut any text. And to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. You can also paste it by clicking on Clipboard and tapping on it here. If you wish to pin it, use this pen at the top right corner. Tap on your sentence that you wish to pin and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. Lastly, to delete your sentence, use the same pen, click on the chosen one and hit pin icon instead of pin one. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!